When it comes to selling on Amazon, one of the biggest question new sellers ask is that how do I actually find the right keyword that bring traffic and sales? Because if your product is not showing up where customers are searching, it's almost feel like you don't even exist. And this is where Helium 10 steps in, giving you the powerful tool that can make keyword research much easier and way more effective. Welcome back to Easy Access Tech, the channel where we make online tools simple for your business and help you to work smarter, not harder. If that sounds good to you, go ahead and hit the subscribe button and don't forget to check the link in the description for the special deals and the extended free trial. Alright, now let's get started. So Helium 10 has been one of the most trusted tools for Amazon sellers and it's still going strong. But how exactly you can use it for keyword research if you are just starting out? Think of keyword research like finding the secret path that leads the customer right to your product. Without the right keyword, you might be selling the best product in the world, but no one is going to see it. Now with Helium 10, the process becomes a lot less stressful. First, you can use their tool to call the magnet. Magnet is like a giant search inside the Helium 10 that shows you the exact word and the phrases people are typing into Amazon. So instead of guessing, you can see real data, what shoppers are searching for and how often they search for it, and even how competitive the keyword is. This means you can quickly find out the keyword which can give you a chance to rank without being crushed by huge competitors. Another tool that makes a big difference is the Cerebro, and this one works a little bit like magic. All you do, take the ASIN of the product, that's basically the ID number of any product on Amazon, and drop it into the Cerebro. You can see then Helium 10 shows you all the keywords that product is ranking for. So if you want to spy on competitor who is already successful, this is the perfect way to see exactly what's working for them. Instead of starting from zero, you can borrow their search and use it for your advantage. Now here is something important for beginners. Amazon keeps changing and customers are searching slightly different way compared to a few years ago. People type longer phrases, sometimes even questions, and that's why Helium 10 is valuable. It updates with Amazon's changes. So you are always looking at the latest search trend, not the outdated numbers. But the question is, how do you actually use this keyword once you find them? Well, think of keyword as the bridge between your customer and your product listing. When you take the best keyword for your product in Helium 10 and add them into your product title, your bullet point, and in your description, you are basically telling Amazon system that, hey, this is the product and this is exactly what people are searching for. And when Amazon's system understand that, your product gets more visibility, more click, and hopefully more sales. And of course, there is no magic button here. You still need to test and adjust and improve over the time. But compared to doing everything by hand, Helium 10 saves you hours of work and gives you the confidence that your keyword strategy is built on actual data, not just random guessing. So what's the bottom line here? Keyword research is still the backbone of selling on Amazon, and Helium 10 is one of the most powerful tools to make it easier, faster, and smarter. Whether you are a complete beginner trying to find your first winning product or you have been selling for a while and want to scale up, Helium 10 has been tools to back you up. And if you like to try Helium 10 for yourself, check the link in the description below or the pinned comment for the free trial. And that's where you can start experimenting with keyword research today and see how much of difference it makes on your Amazon journey. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe this channel. I will see you in the next video.